You won't believe just how amazing these pixelated Easter t-shirt designs actually turned out. Now, bit of a backstory, I created these because I created a video a few days back all about these t-shirt designs, these Easter designs, and how I actually created them or came up with the ideas. Now, in that video, we were taking a look at the designs and I came across this one which I created. And I really liked this. I really like the pixelated style. So I wanted to do another video with a bunch of designs all in this pixelated style. So that's what this video is all about, and that's what all these designs are about too. Now, if you do want to go back and watch the previous video, what I'll do is link it down in the description below. And if you do like these designs, and if you want to play around with the prompts, well, by the time you watch this video, or by the time it's live, I'll make sure that they're all here on my public profile. Now, I'll link my public profile down in the description as well. That means you can just come through, click on the designs, and then use the prompts however you want. Now, stick around to the end of the video, because I'm also going to show you a better way on how you can take all of these prompts and then plug it into ChatGPT and then use my little free resource to come up with an unlimited amount of prompts and in this style. So, before we take a closer look at these designs, how did I actually come up with them? Well, let's come over to ChatGPT. Now, I was using my own personal custom-made GPT. Now, this is my Ideomastery T-shirt Prompt Generator. Now, this is part of my Ideomastery course, and if you want to check that out, I'll also link that down in the description. But nonetheless, what I've done here, you could probably do just in ChatGPT as well. But I said to the GPT, I'm going to give you an ideogram prompt of mine and also the magic prompt along with the design that it created. I then want new and fresh prompts in the same niche and in the same style. Now the niche is Easter and the style is pixelated. So what I went ahead and done was uploaded that image which I just showed you. This is bunny mode activated. This was the first design which I created in that pixelated style. So I fed it the usual prompt, one of my prompts, and then I gave it the magic prompt, which Ideogram actually creates when you create a new design. So off that, I actually started getting all of these ideas. So this is Egg Hunt Champion, this is Loading Easter Vibes, and Easter Quest Unlocked. So I started getting some really good prompts. I started going over to Ideogram, plugging them in, taking a look. If they weren't that great, I'd delete them. But I asked for more, so I had more prompts just here, and I did that a few times to get a base of designs. So if we come back over to here, not that one, over to this one, and if we scroll down to round about here, I took some of the first prompts along with the designs and then fed them back into ChatGPT or my Ideomastery T-shirt Prompt Generator. Because I said, I am now going to give you my favourite so far, and then we will use the list of prompts to create even better prompts/designs. So I fed them the three of my favourite, which was this one, and also this one. I really liked these three. So I fed them the designs, as you can see, and also the prompts. So now all the prompts which I'm about to get is mainly based on these as well, giving me much better designs. So I went through. Well, in fact, it first said key winning elements, and it said pure Easter relevance, gamer style execution, cuteness and confidence, and layered visuals. So it kind of took all of this and then started creating new prompts like that. Now, not all of these did look great. Some of them weren't that great at all, so I just deleted them. But I kept doing that again a few more times, creating more prompts until I had even more designs. And then, yep, you guessed it, I did the same again. I uploaded my favourite ones, as you can see just here. I said I am now going to give you my favourite so far again. So we have 5, which I really liked. I really like this one. I think this is one of my favourites. But I did that again with all the prompts, and then I started getting even better designs. Now, what makes these favorites stand out? And it goes through, it explains to me, and then it takes all of this into consideration, and it gave me more evolved style. So we have the Great Egg Escape, Bunny vs Egg Boss. Now again, not all of these turned out great, but a few of them looked really great, as we're going to see in a second. But I just kept going through. I said, more, but make the quotes relatable, cute, and adorable, and not too long. And then I started getting some really great ones. Extra cute, too hoppy to handle, eggs over everything. So this is how I actually created all of the prompts for the designs that you see just here. Now let's quickly go through all of these, and then I'm going to share that free resource a little bit later on. But we'll start at the beginning and we'll go through all of them. So Hop and Chill looked really great. I really like how all of these turned out. I think there might be one in here, which I wasn't that too keen of, but nonetheless, I just really liked these. And again, if you do want to come and check these out, all of these designs with all of the prompts just here are going to be on my public profile. Now, one thing to note really quick, I have not checked trademarks for these quotes. So if you do try and use the quotes which are in these prompts, then please always check for trademarks so you don't face any issues further down the road. But let's come back onto here. Hoppy Vibes Only turned out really great. Born to Hunt. Now I really like this one. And then we have Cutie with a Basket. Bunny Goals. This is a really great one as well. Lil Egg Hunter. Really cute design. Hop Squad. Now this is a great one as well. Eggs over everything. Too hoppy to handle. Easter credits rolling. Thank you for playing. So as you can see, this pixelated design style combined with Easter makes really great designs. Now I really liked this one. I really liked the simplicity of it as well. Hop, collect, repeat. And just a really nice little design as well. But let me just quickly run through these so you can see what they all look like, and then I'm just going to share that free resource. Now here's my favourite one. I really love this design. I just think it looks amazing. Then we have Easter Egg Speedrunner, Mission Egg Possible, and then a few more as you can see just here. Now let's go back and let me share that free resource. Now the free resource is mine. Now this is called Prompt Playground and this is completely free. Now all you have to do if you do want this is come to here where it says name a fair price, put in 0, follow the steps, and you can grab this for free. Now this is kind of like a free little mini course, as you can see just here. Now what this has is modules for t-shirt designs, sticker designs, clip art designs, and also colouring page designs. But what this essentially does is going to show you how you can take any ideogram prompt that you find online. It doesn't have to be mine, but it's going to show you how to take the prompts, so you can copy this, then go over to ChatGPT, and then get an endless stream of brand new prompts for this design style. So it's just a really great way to come up with brand new ideas. And if you do want to check this out, I will link it down in the description. But nonetheless, by the time you watch this video, all of these are going to be on my public profile. So you can come through, click on any that you like, you can add the prompts to your bar, you can play around with the quotes inside this, which is just here, you can play around with the different colours as well, and just edit, modify and make your own. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click right here and have a watch of this.